So guys, if you want to create some ERPs and you are looking for a solution, you are looking for a AI or a AI model that you can use for your coding task, like I am using Minimax here. So, but you know that all the cloud-based models or Claude or any different models are paid, or they give you a small credit. But let's say you have a decent PC, like I have a PC with 16 GB RAM and a GPU. I'm saying if you have this, then you can try a model like Qwen 2.5 coder. As you can see it is taking around 9 GB space on my machine. And if I will show you task manager here, you can see performance. And right now GPU is not being used. It's a 8 GB GPU. Another one is the integrated GPU, but this one is dedicated. So we have downloaded this model, and then when we will start a new chat, this is LM Studio, by the way. I will guide you with complete setup. Here you can say something like, hi, I want help in coding. I want to create an ERP with PHP and MySQL. Obviously, whatever is your preferred tech stack, you can use that. And I'm just writing Bootstrap 5. So here you can create, you can use any other program to create PRD for your project. Let's say here I want to create a simple, let's say user management. I'm just testing. So it will be a user management ERP. You can search for HR ERP. You can use hospital ERP, like the one that I showed you is a hospital management system which we are working on. It has hospital management, pharmacy, diagnostic. You can enter different modules where you can manage much everything. Obviously this took a lot of time to create. It has a lot of pages, but here's how we will start. And it will be a user management ERP where admin can CRUD users, I'm just saying CRUD users of different types. So when you will give this type of command, you can see load a model to send a message. Here is a model loader where you will be asked to select. So whatever models you have downloaded, you can select them, and you can see its size downloaded, everything is there. Now as you can see, Qwen 2.5 coder 14B is there. If you guys know it, very good. Otherwise we need to understand what is meaning of B in these models. So here, what do we mean by this? So in simple terms, this Qwen 2.5 coder, obviously because its name is coder, it is very good for coding. That's what we are testing at this moment. With this 8 GB GPU and 16 GB RAM, is an AI coding model that runs on your computer, obviously, and it's 14B means it has 14 billion parameters, that is learned knowledge. Like it's kind of how good is that model can be determined with how many billion parameters has it, for uh, parameter it has as its learned knowledge parameters, and it makes it much smarter than smaller models. And the Q4KM is a compressed version that uses less memory while keeping most of the coding ability. So this is LM Studio setup where we have selected this model. Now you can see I have selected this model, and even though if I am not connected to internet, there is obviously sometimes you have very sensitive file and you cannot upload it to ChatGPT, and you want to work locally. So you can download LM Studio, and you can do this. You can see it is giving you an answer. Obviously, when it is giving you an answer, it is taking, my PC has started consuming some power. You can see GPU is now at its full capacity, almost 49 degrees Celsius, and CPU is 61% consumed. My RAM, which is approximately 16 GB, is also 90% consumed. Obviously, I am running AMPS also, some other applications, maybe those applications are also consuming memory. So this is just an idea. And here it is giving you, now you can see it has started giving you a table. I create a table users, and it is doing its task. And so it is showing you, ensure you have this installed and all. So let's say I have AMPS installed where Apache MySQL is already running. If you want to develop some application using Python, you can take help of it. I will show you in, there are many tutorials going to come in this series where we will test different models for local AI usage for this purpose. An important thing you can see, after giving this much, here it shows current conversion tokens, total loaded context. This, so what is this like? If it is local, it should not consume. I am stopping it because I was just testing it, but you can see it has started giving pages also, like create db.php, create users.php, and obviously it will give you a very basic setup because you have just asked for a very basic setup. When you will ask for more complex codes, it will give you that as well. And now, so what does this show? Like current conversation tokens, etc. This shows how much of the AI model's memory or context window is currently being used. Okay, you can see in this much amount of the conversation that we had with model, it has consumed 6%. So the this conversation contains 71 tokens out of maximum 8192 tokens. So only 0.9% of available is occupied. As the conversation grows, this token usage increases. When the limit is reached, the model starts to forget older messages. Okay, may forget older messages. So when you are working with ChatGPT or Claude, they can remember a lot of stuff. Yes, but because we are doing it on our local computer, then it is, you can say it is giving you total loaded context will be 8192, and out of that, this much it will remember. So, and here we have its setting. So you can see we have my models, and you have different type of, its setting interface. One more thing which I wanted to show was this. Just here is our setting. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is the actual icon, and here you can see runtime, everything, hardware. It has detected with Radeon graphics, Ryzen 7, this much VRAM, everything is there. Important thing, if you don't have GPU, this will be off, and then you can use those type of models. Like here we have different type of models, and here you can see we have general settings where you will find options like, if you will go to appearance, here you have different options to tweak, and here we have model defaults. So this is also new for me. I'm just testing. Some students asked us to set this up. Now here you can see this is the default context length. You can select model maximum also. So whatever the maximum context model can remember, but remember this can consume more memory from your system. So currently we'll leave it like that. I want to show some more models here. So if you will click this model search, this is also a good model. Gamma 4 12B, 12 billion is also very good. Is that quantization aware training version, and it is 7 GB. So we are trying which model will be good for basic coding, which model will be good for automating different type of tasks. And here are models like Gamma 4 31 billion, or when 3.6 27 billion. And here it will show you how compatible. Once you have LM Studio set up, it will tell you how good that model will be with your machine. So it is saying likely too large. But if we go with, you can see partial GPU offload is possible. And if I select Qwen 3.59B, then you will see better results. You can see full GPU offload possible, so it will be a lot more faster. So at this moment, I tried Qwen 2.5 coder 14B. This is Qwen 3.59B, represents significant leap forward, etc. And 9B parameter dense model supporting native context lengths of 2,62,144 tokens. So these are all there. Now, how to set it up? So here you can see, first you obviously will search LM Studio. This will appear based on what operating system you are at. So I am on Windows. I will select Windows. Then you can click on the model tab in website lmstudio.ai also. It will, you can see different models that they have, which you can download from here as well. Once that exe file will be downloaded, and you will run it license agreement, which you will read. If you agree, then you proceed, otherwise leave. Then installation will start. Run LM Studio. Then in LM Studio you will click on get started, and it will start updating LLM catalog, your first model. So it showed me Gamma 4 E4B, the effective 4 billion version, supports image input, reasoning, and tool calling. So this is obviously task to task. These models are very good. Then you can install it at this moment, or skip for now and try different models. So select any one model, and because it detected my GPU, it started downloading some files. This is Llama CPP Win x86 basically for using my GPU in those tasks. And once it is done, you will be ready with this studio, and you can now chat. When you will chat, whatever models you will have in your PC, sorry, you will be able to select them. And here you can see we have integrations like JS Code Sandbox, RAG V1, everything is there. So as I said, we are experimenting with different things, and this is how you can create basic applications locally in your computer. Now, obviously, if you will compare it with something like Claude, something like, obviously the Claude models that are there, Haiku, Opus, etc., or OpenAI models. So obviously, it will not perform like them, because they are trained on many more parameters, and they are running on a different type of machine. But for local task, for something that you cannot upload to ChatGPT, that you cannot upload to Claude, but still you need help, you can definitely use them, and it stays local. By the way, this is Ollama. Here also you have different models, cloud models, and some local models like Gamma 4 or Qwen 3.6 that you can use. And code of that will be discussed later, like setup of this Ollama will be discussed. So go ahead, try this, and if you need help, if you have any doubts, please ask them in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.